If you're considering buying Microsoft Project, there are 12 key things you need to know before making the purchase. Microsoft Project has been around for years, and while it's a top choice for many, it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. Let's break down what you should know before committing. First off, Microsoft Project is widely regarded as one of the most powerful project management tools available. It offers a robust set of features for professionals, particularly in large organizations. However, it's also more complex than some other options out there, like Monday.com or Asana, which offer simpler, more intuitive interfaces. Next thing to know is the pricing structure. Unlike some project management tools, Microsoft Project does not have a free tier. It's priced on a subscription model, which can be a bit steep. You'll need to factor in whether it fits within your budget, especially compared to alternatives like ClickUp or Trello that provide lower cost or even free plans for smaller teams. The third thing to consider is Microsoft Project's steep learning curve. If you're looking for an easy-to-use tool, this may not be your best bet. It's designed for professional project managers, and while the functionality is powerful, you'll need time and training to get the most out of it. Other tools, like Basecamp or Wrike, are often praised for their ease of use, making them ideal for less experienced project managers or smaller teams. The fourth thing you should know is that Microsoft Project is integrated well with other Microsoft tools like Excel, Outlook, and Teams. This makes it an excellent choice if your organization already uses Microsoft products extensively. However, if you're using a mix of platforms, you might find integrations with other tools a bit trickier, which is where competitors like Monday.com really shine. The fifth point is that Microsoft Project excels at handling complex, multi-layered projects with detailed timelines, Gantt charts, and resource management features. If you're managing large-scale projects with many moving parts, this tool is a powerhouse. However, if you're working on simpler projects, it may feel overly complicated compared to tools like Trello or Asana, which are better suited for smaller teams and simpler tasks. Next, Microsoft Project offers excellent reporting tools. You can track project progress, monitor resource allocation, and gain insights into potential roadblocks. This makes it perfect for senior project managers or executives. But if you're just looking for task tracking or simple collaboration, tools like ClickUp may be more suitable. The seventh thing to know is its flexibility in terms of deployment. Microsoft Project is available in both cloud-based and on-premises versions. This can be a benefit for companies that need full control over their data, but for most, the cloud version is more than enough. It's also worth noting that cloud deployment can be more expensive, which might be a consideration if you're comparing it with cloud-only tools like Basecamp or Trello. The eighth thing to consider is customer support. Microsoft Project offers decent customer support, but compared to competitors, it can sometimes feel slow or impersonal. If top-notch customer service is a priority for you, you may want to look into tools like Monday.com or Wrike, which are often praised for their responsive support teams. Next, while Microsoft Project is powerful, it's also a bit rigid in terms of customization. If you need a project management tool that can mold to your specific needs, it might feel restrictive. Competitors like ClickUp and Asana allow for more customization, which could be more appealing depending on your team's needs. The 10th point is collaboration. Microsoft Project is functional for teams, but it's not as collaborative as tools like Slack or Asana, which make communication more fluid. If collaboration and communication are key for your team, those options might serve you better. The 11th thing to know is that Microsoft Project is well suited for industries like construction, IT, and engineering, where complex workflows and resource management are common. But for creative teams or teams working on short-term tasks, you may find simpler tools like Basecamp or Trello more suitable. The 12th thing to know is that Microsoft Project has an incredibly powerful API, which allows for deep integrations and custom workflows. If you need a highly specialized solution, this is where it excels. However, if your needs aren't as specialized, the complexity of using this API may be unnecessary. In conclusion, Microsoft Project is a solid choice for